2011 Ford F250 Lariat Powerstroke diesel. Here's a very clean 6.7 Powerstroke diesel. These trucks are so hard to find in nice shape. The 6.7 is such an excellent diesel motor. They have such great reliability, great power, are quiet and smooth, and just a great drivetrain overall. I'm just going to try and do a quick video walk around of this specific one, show you the ins and out of it, and just exactly what it is. This one, like I mentioned, is a Lariat trim, so pretty much fully loaded. It is a crew cab and does have the long bed on it, so very capable truck and tons of space for everything you need. It's finished in the Summit white color, has the nice Lariat alloy wheels. Moving up here to the front, a whole new front end for 2011 on these. Very clean. You know, no rock chips or chrome bubbling or anything like that. Bumpers all in good shape, not dented or anything. Headlights aren't all fogged over, they're still clear. On this passenger side, nice shape. It's got these nice chrome mud plates, I guess, or chip guards all the way down the side. So that's a nice appearance package thing as well. Kind of gives it a cool look. But just the paint and body of this whole truck are really in great shape. It does have one little paint chip right here. That can be touched up though, taken care of. But yeah, for a 3/4 ton heavy duty truck, it's just really in great shape. The hood and the whole top end are all in good shape, no hail or anything in the truck. And then this driver's side, it's again just very clean paint and body. You know, being white, it's going to show any smudge or anything like that. So very clean. Rear bumpers are all in good shape. Full size towing package. Tailgate's all in good shape. Does have a rugged liner bed liner. Does have the gooseneck equipment as well. Sitting on newer General Grabber tires, a very excellent tire, if not basically new tires. Very high quality, very nice riding tire. Tons of grip and tread pattern on there to work with for heavy duty. We're gonna jump on the inside here. Take a look at that. Being a Lariat, you're going to come very nicely equipped. This one isn't completely decked, fully loaded out, but still really nicely equipped. You know, Lariat just comes with all the nice options. Dual power seats, nice perforated tan leather. This is the Adobe tan doeskin leather. All power locks and windows, power mirrors. This does have the power fold-in mirrors, as well as the power telescoping mirrors. Automatic headlights, cruise control, and all of your steering wheel controls there. Of course, a clean and clear dash. A quick key cycle here. Only 139,000 miles. Very low for one of these trucks. They're just really hard to find anywhere even close to this. Everything right in the zone, right where it needs to be. Really runs great. Of course, all your 4-wheel drive control buttons there, dual automatic climate controls, your factory trailer brake controller. It does have an AM, FM, and XM radio with Bluetooth and AUX and USB inputs down there. It does have the rear parking sensors, so when you're backing up, you'll be alerted. Jumping into the back seat here, very clean here as well. Just no obvious wear. Carpets are all in good shape. These do pop up for additional storage underneath. And the passenger rear seat, it's in nice shape. Once again, just nothing obvious. Maybe a couple small smudges there that would wipe off. Passenger side seat. You know, this besides a few light creases on both sides, just nothing major, nothing that wouldn't clean up very quick and easily. Go ahead and pop the hood here so we can take a look under there. As I mentioned, this is the 6.7 Powerstroke turbo diesel engine. Just a fantastic engine. You know, Ford brought this out in 2011 and just had extreme success with it. They came off several engines that were just terrible, and then they finally got it right with this, and this is just a really bulletproof motor. You know, lots of power, heavy duty feeling when you're driving it, and just very confident under the load when it needs to be, and just really rolls down the road nice. So this truck does appear to be pretty much fully stock, so no modifications. You're pretty much working with a clean slate, so you can do whatever you want with it. Appears to have been extremely well maintained. As I mentioned, only 139,000 miles, so very low for one of these. And you know, you can, with a 6.7, there's a lot of potential if you want to change things aftermarket, but even just stock, they perform flawlessly and really run great. So if this truck is of interest, feel free to get in contact with us. It's Miles and Brad Beckman here at Eagle Care Autos in McPherson. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. We're just a small family dealership. We've been in McPherson for about 20 years, and look forward to serving you in whatever way we can. So find us on our website, eaglecareautos.com. Find us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel or like the video, and just let us know how we can best serve you. Thanks so much for watching.